Hi Subbies, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about vision boards. So I'm going to be showing you guys my vision board that I would have put together for 2020 and just give you all some details on it. So if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit that subscription button. Do not forget to leave me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends and family to help my channel grow. So we're going straight into it. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my vision board for 2020. Now, you see the little glitzy glamour stuff I have on the vision board. I've used the old picture frame that I had. And it's a very large picture frame because I have quite a bit of stuff I'd like to achieve this year. I have to do one with my husband. I'm doing this one for myself. Now, my vision board for this year encompasses everything that I would love to achieve for the year 2020. I have to say it looks a little bit much, but at least if I lay the groundwork for most of it, I will be in a better place. Now, first things first, we're going to look at my social media goals. So I'm hoping to reach at least, let's say, 10,000 followers at the end of the year. I have to be honest, it does look a bit challenging, but you know, it just takes that one video to put you on top of your game and to give you that opportunity to really grow. So I am still going to put up my content. I'm putting my best foot forward, and with everything, you leave it in the Lord's hands and He will make everything happen once you've been putting in the groundwork. So I have no qualms about it. I'm going to get to 10,000 followers at the end of the year, or even more. My next thing would be my beauty room. Now, my beauty room is something, let me zoom it in for you guys to see, something that I've always wanted. And for me, this beauty room goes hand in hand with me getting my own home, which is across here. Currently we're in an apartment, but you know, I'm praying and asking the Lord to bring that house to us, a place that we are going to fall in love with, a place that we're going to like, a place that, you know, is going to reach our expectations. It may not be brand new, but I really don't care. I can make it work as long as it's our own. So my beauty room goes hand in hand with us getting our own home, and this is everyone's dream to achieve having your own home. And I'm giving myself at least 2 years, so you may see this on 2021 goal. If I don't achieve it this year, I'm not giving up, because I have a plan and I've set that plan in motion. And if God's willing, if it's by His grace, I'm gonna have my home at the end of the year. So the beauty room, yes, I can't wait so I can film in there and have a peace of mind and have all my equipment always set up and not have to mount up the equipment and then take it back down and then put it back up again. Oh my God, that frustrates the living crap out of me every time I have to record. I can't. This year is for me to build a little bit more of my inventory. I really want to, you know, expand my knowledge in products and expose myself to new stuff. And this is basically, you know, keeping up to date with some of the trends that are going, using my products that I have already, getting full uses out of them before I go purchasing other stuff, and ensuring that I'm not going above and beyond. This being grateful for life. Oh, you're not going to see that, right? So I want to be grateful for life, which is important. We have to be grateful for life, for everything that we have. You know, sometimes, or if you hear any TVs, my children watching a movie outside. I have to be so eternally grateful for everything God has blessed me with. And every day I have to remember to be grateful. Just because I don't have something doesn't mean that it's not happening for me. Somebody always has it worse than you. So give God thanks and praise through everything, and that is what I'm working on, being a healthier me. This is so important because of my health challenges. Ensuring that I work out. I have not started working out yet for the year because my days are hectic, and I think I have to sacrifice getting up earlier in the morning to work out, getting up early here on the morning and really getting the workout in, because it seems afternoons are going to be quite of a challenge as my daughter has SE in April for now, so I really have to work on that. So I have to lose some more pounds, so it's important. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done. The next thing would be my success. Success is mine, to me remaining positive throughout everything, as well as being grateful and knowing that I can achieve anything I set my mind to, reminding myself of that, reminding myself that I am blessed and highly favored. Yeah, so you know, sometimes you really have to remind yourself that, you know, despite everything, you are blessed, and this is one of them. Vacation. I really want to ensure that my husband and I spend as much time as we can together, because with 4 children, sometimes, you know, it is a lot, and it takes a lot from you when you have 4 young children, and you have to remember to make time for each other. So we have to kind of plan out our vacation around the time when the kids are out of school, so around probably Easter vacation or summer, so Granny will be watching them. And my makeup artist throughout, I've been doing a few faces for the year. I want to increase that and start doing a little bit more faces, building my clientele so that I can have a second income, a steadier second income coming in. I want to attend IMAX. For you who don't know what IMAX is, it is the International Makeup Artists. It's like a trade show. So it's like a big thing, a whole thing where companies come and they share their new products launches, and you know, you have exposure to new makeup techniques and rubbing shoulders with fellow makeup artists and meeting new faces, networking. It's something that I would really love to attend this year. Yeah, going as long as with the vacation, this goes hand in hand with it for my husband and I to go overseas together, around the Caribbean. You know, we have to really put that in place for us to enjoy each other, family first, you know, putting our children first in everything that we do. Well, not really first, because God is first. Putting our children as priority, ensuring that they know they are loved and that we have a secure family and a stable family for them to grow is important. Oh, I'm well talking and I'm sure only what I'm talking about. So let me bring it up here. Right. So this is important. I have a healthy, happy family. For me to take a little bit more better care of myself, buy some new clothing, spoil myself a little bit. Yeah. This makeup, it is I need to get me one of these makeup chairs, the makeup artist chairs, and one of these cases. I have the pull trolley cases, but I find it challenging, especially when I have to go do faces. This would work better for me, so it opens up into a mirror and everything, so I don't have to carry a separate mirror, carry the pull trolley thing. It helps to easily load. So I guess this is something that I'll be working on before March to get. So I'll bring them in. This happiness, let me bring it down. So happiness is also a major factor. You know, in anybody's mental state of mind, happiness, you know, you need to be happy. You need to make yourself happy. You can't function if you're not happy. And for me, my happiness is priority, the happiness of my family is priority, and this is what I have to make sure every day, you know, to be grateful, thankful, blessed, and happy. Where did I read? Right, so thankful. As I said, give God praise, thanks, and to be thankful for everything that I have, to be grateful for everything that I have. This, yeah, I can't say, you know, anymore here. Dream big. Set goals, take action. So for me, dream big, set goals, take action. It is dream, think out of the box. Don't let anybody tell me or you that your dreams are too big. But you're dreaming too big. It's too big for them to comprehend, but it's not too big for me. It may look challenging, but with all things, it is possible. To believe in myself, I've had challenges with my depression, where you second guess yourself, you second guess your decisions, and once you've prayed about your decision and you give it up to God, for me, He guides you in the direction that you need to go, because you can make all the plans and God will laugh at you. So you can't create something like this without praying about it first, and then God will start to unfold everything for you, and then you will now start setting your plans and motions in place for things to achieve in your life. So that is how this whole thing came into action, where I thought about it and I prayed about it. And I wrote down things and I scratched it off, and then I wrote down things I want to achieve in 2020. And then I said, God, I don't want to just create a vision board because I created a vision board's sake. It's not going to be there to take up space on my wall. It has to be something attainable. It has to be something that you think I am ready for. And it has to be something that could, make my life better. And these are the ideas, these are the things that came to me, and I decided, you know what, let's go for it. If God has sanctioned it, so shall it be. I also included, I wanted to take my children to Disney World, if not Disney, Universal Studios. I'm looking at it and sorting it out. If not Disney World, somewhere nice for them to enjoy. So I placed a picture of Disney, and I really would like to take my children there before the end of the year. So pray for me, guys. We're lifting it up, and my finances, that God is going to bless it, going to multiply. I can't achieve these things without God's blessings, without faith, and without money. So yeah, He's going to create the opportunities for me to be able to have the finances to do every single thing that I need to do on this list. And yeah, this is my year to achieve my goals, and this is your year for you to achieve your goals. So don't give up on your goals. Don't feel discouraged if you found that you haven't achieved all that you wanted to achieve last year. Don't give up. It wasn't last year to achieve everything. You're gonna have the opportunity to do that this year. So you just don't give up. It wasn't that time yet. So guys, that's it for me for my vision board. So if you've been inspired by my vision board, go ahead and you start yours. Mine was first inspired by my coach Cheryl Carter. She really gave me the push that I needed, because I was in a place in my life where I felt like I wasn't achieving anything. I felt like I wasn't growing anywhere, and she brought everything to my attention that I have achieved a lot. And why am I not looking at the things that I've achieved and seeing that as a major milestone? So that's what I was saying. Don't let the fact that you may not have achieved stuff that you wanted to achieve last year keep you back from wanting to achieve things this year. Look back at what you have achieved, and be thankful and grateful for where you are now. Maybe God is preparing you for something greater. Maybe He's holding it back because you're not yet ready, or He's holding you back from making a mistake. So don't look at it as it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen yet, but it's going to happen. Keep fighting, keep pushing, and that is what I've been doing. I have to do this not only for myself but for my children. I have 4 little humans depending on me, and they are watching every single thing that mommy does. I watch it with my daughter, where she pretends that she's a YouTuber with her dollies watching her, and I'm like, look at this little diva. So, I have to remain encouraged. I have to show my kids that no matter what, you have to keep fighting, you have to keep pushing if you want something in this life. Nothing in this life comes easy. Everything you have to work hard for. And for me, having my vision board is a plan for my future, a plan for a better future for my children, because when I achieve my goals and when I do something, it reflects on myself and my family and my children, and they themselves can be encouraged to fight for what they want in this life. So don't be discouraged. Make your vision board, make your plans, pray about it. I can't stress enough about praying about it, asking God to guide your decision and your choices of goals to achieve this year and help you to achieve it. And don't just sit and wait for God to make everything happen. You start laying that groundwork. You start putting things in place, because God helps those who help themselves. So yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so subscribe, hit that subscription button, leave me a thumbs up. If you want to ask me anything about my vision board, you can go ahead and ask me. And I really have to say thank you, Michelle Carter, for everything that you've done for me in 2019. I am so much more motivated and so much more in a better place, you know, because of it. And I have reached a place where I want to keep fighting and achieving my goals. I may not be where I want to be, but I'm going to get there. So thank you. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.